So how can your insurance company help you deal with the COVID-19 outbreak? Better yet, what are the instances where the insurance company will not help you during this pandemic? Well, I'm going to go through what the insurance company will and will not help you with when it comes to dealing with the coronavirus. So let's start with the obvious. Let's talk about health insurance. So the good news is that health insurance covers treatment for the virus, and the United States government has even met with major health insurance companies and has gotten them to waive copays for the consumers for the COVID-19 testing. But now that copay is just waived for the testing, not the treatment. It reportedly takes about 1 month to fully recover from the coronavirus once you have symptoms, but a month's worth of treatment can lead to overrun hospitals and leave millions out of work and tons of businesses halting production. But that's where business interruption insurance comes into play. Business interruption insurance is bundled with a business owner's policy, and it's an insurance policy that will help replace any income your business loses if you cannot open for a period of time after a covered loss. So there are two main types of business owners policies. The first type is a named business owner's policy, and a named business owner's policy specifically states the losses that are covered. And the second is a special form business owner's policy, which allows coverage for any and everything except for what the policy specifically excludes, or states that it doesn't cover. So if you're a business owner and have a special form business owner's policy, then you're more likely to be covered from business interruption caused by the coronavirus. This can allow you to travel and handle any of other life's inconveniences that you need to. And speaking of travel insurance is the next policy I want to talk about. Now, if you're going to travel for any reason, knowing how a travel insurance policy can help protect the money you spend on your travel plans is very important. The thing to know about travel insurance and the coronavirus is that most travel policies only cover unforeseen circumstances. And as of the recording of this video, the coronavirus is no longer an unforeseen circumstance, since it's widely considered a global pandemic. The only travel insurance option that can provide you with some coverage is to have purchased a cancel for any reasons policy. And you would have had to have purchased this policy ahead of time because cancel for any reason travel policies need to have been purchased at least 21 days before the first payment of your trip. Also, a lot of travel insurance companies have a policy exclusion for pandemics, which would exclude coverage for the coronavirus. So if you're looking for a travel policy right now, remember, you want to get a cancel for any reasons policy. And it needs to be purchased at least 21 days before the first payment of your trip. So to recap everything, your health insurance will take care of your treatment for the coronavirus. Your co-payment for testing for the coronavirus is waived by the federal government. If you're a business owner and you have a special form business owner's policy, you can claim your business interruption under your insurance policy. And if you're planning to travel, you want to get a cancel for any reasons policy and purchase it at least 21 days before the first payment of your trip. If you learned something from the video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for allowing the Insurance Quotient to keep you informed.